नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. मॅथ फर्स्टमध्ये दुसरं चॅप्टर आहे मॅट्रायसेस. हे अतिशय सोपं चॅप्टर आहे. जसं फर्स्ट चॅप्टर होतं मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिक, त्याचप्रमाणे हे दुसरं चॅप्टर मॅट्रायसेस हे सुद्धा अतिशय सोपं चॅप्टर आहे. याच्यामध्ये मोजकेच पॉईंट्स आहेत. पहिला पॉईंट आहे इन्व्हर्स ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स. There are three types to find the inverse of matrix. Inverse of matrix काढण्यासाठी तीन मेथड आहेत. First method is inverse of matrix by row transformations. Second, inverse of matrix by column transformations. And third is inverse of matrix by adjoint method. Second type आहे या चॅप्टरमध्ये solution of system of linear equations. There are two methods to solve linear equations. First is method of reduction and second is method of inversion. In this video we see how to find the inverse of matrix by row transformations. Suppose we have to find inverse of matrix 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7. For that, in this method, first we write a into a inverse is equal to I. Remember this. In this method, we have to write a into a inverse is equal to I always. Then put down the value of a which is given and I as unit matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 as usual. If given matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, then take this as 2 by 2 1 0 0 1 only. If the given matrix is 3 by 3, then take I as 3 by 3 unit matrix. Now in this method we have to convert this matrix A into unit matrix by row transformations. For this we have a sequence to convert this matrix into unit matrix. We see that sequence. See that suppose given matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32. So we have to take here 6 steps. At first, by row transformation, bring 1 in the place of A11. Then in the second step, bring 0 in the place of A21 and A31. Then in the third step, bring 1 in the place of A22. After that, fourth step is bring 0 in the place of A12 and A32. Fifth step is bring 1 in the place of A33 and then last step, bring 0 in the place of A23 and A13 by row transformations. We can remember this as, so that 1, then 0, 0. After that, middle one, then 0, 0. Then 1 and then last is 0, 0. You can remember this sequence or remember this type 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. So let us continue our example. Now first step is bring 1 in the place of A11. Here already 1, so no need to take first step. We have to use directly second step. What is second step? We have to bring 0 in the place of A21 and A31. इथं 1 आणि 2 ठिकाणी आपल्याला 0 करायचं आहे. So by row transformations we write R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 because we have to bring here 0 and instead of 2 we have to bring 0. So step R3 minus 2 R1. For A31 we use step R3 minus 2R1. Why this R2 minus R1? By R2 minus R1 we get here 0. Here see that 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 5 minus 3 2. R2 मायनस R1 म्हणजे काय, सेकंड रो कडे बघा आणि फर्स्ट रो वजा करा आणि ते स्टेप लिहायची. आता थर्ड रोसाठी काय करायचं आहे, R3 मायनस 2R1 म्हणजे तिसऱ्या रोकडे बघा, पहिल्या रोची 2 पट वजा करा. 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0, then this is 7 minus 6, here will be 1. Apply the same transformation on the right hand side. R2 minus R1, see here 0 minus 1 is here minus 1, 1 minus 0 1 at 3, 0 minus 0 0, and for the third row what we have to do, R3 minus 2R1. R3 कडे बघा, R1 चे दुप्पट वजा करा. 0 minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 0 चे 2 पट 0 चे 9, so 0, 1 minus 0 1. So in this way we get here 0 0. Then we have to obtain here 1 instead of minus 1, we want here plus 1. If we multiply second row by minus 1, we get plus 1. See that by writing by R1 minus 2R2 we get here, multiplying second row by minus 1 we get 0 1 minus 2. Apply the same transformation, we get 1 minus 1 0. Then first step is bring 0 in the place of this A12 and 32. L already is 0, so we have to bring here 0 instead of this 2 only. So for that we write R1 minus 2R2. जो मिडल 1 एलिमेंट आहे याच्या मदतीनेच तिथे 0 करायचा, खाली 0 आलेलाच आहे, फक्त वर 0 करायचा आहे. त्याच्यासाठी आपण R1 minus 2R2 लिहिलं. म्हणजे R1 minus 2R2 म्हणजे काय, पहिल्या रोमध्ये बदल होणार आहे, दुसऱ्या किंवा तिसऱ्यामध्ये होणार नाही. एक काम करायचं, तिसरा आणि तिसरा रो दोघं बाजूला ॲज इट इज लिहून टाकायचा. मग दिलेलं ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन बघायचं. R1 minus 2R2 म्हणजे पहिल्या रोकडे बघा, दुसऱ्या रोची 2 पट वजा करून पहिल्या रोमध्ये लिहायचे. सो वी गेट हिअर 0, 7 is 3 minus 2R1 means minus minus plus 4, so here will be 7, and in the right hand side we get minus 1 2 0. Fifth step is they bring here 1, that is already 1, so no need to take the step. So we take last step, we have to bring 0 instead of 7 and minus 2. So write R1 minus 7 R3 and R2 plus 2 R3 at the same time. By writing this we get here 0 and 0. Say that R1 minus 7 R3, R2 plus 2 R3, we get here 0 0. Apply the same transformation on the right hand side, we get this matrix. Now I into A inverse is equal to matrix in the right hand side. So I into A inverse is A inverse itself. So this is the inverse of given matrix. You can verify that this answer is correct or not. We can verify by taking the product of A into A inverse. That should be unit matrix. Thank you.